boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar, OneRepublic. You know about them. Give Me Something. That's the title of this new song. Let's go into it. And we're going to learn 4 chords. Simple. And it goes in the same with our entire song. We have some variation there we can have and play with, but otherwise it's the same. Same. We love that. So let's go into the setup. Capo on 4th. Absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have the 4 chords: B minor, A, E minor, and G. Starting with B minor, that's a bar chord, so place your index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings except from the last E string in the bass. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Okay, that's the B minor. Next, A. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor next. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the G. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so let's go into the strumming and learn that. We have a 2-part strumming because we need to split later on, and one round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be up, up, down, then clap down. That is part 1. Up, up, down, clap down. And part 2 will be down, clap. So together, up, up, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, now let's go into this main chord progression. It will be B minor, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. A, 1 full round. E minor, 1 full round plus part 1. So you're going to play up, up, down, clap, down, down, clap, and then up, up, down, clap, down. And then after that down, you're going to go into G and play just 1 down, and then A, 1 down as a transition, okay? So that gives us B minor 1 full round, A 1 full round, E minor 1 full round plus part 1, then just 1 down on G and 1 down on A. Slowly it goes like this. Tempo. So there you have the main thing here. If you want to have some switch in there and you don't care about that G to A bridge thing going on there, then you're just going to play B minor 1 full round, A 1 full round, and E minor 2 full rounds like this. Alright guys, that's it. Give me something, and that's my message to you as well. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give me something. A like would be nice, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.